Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Peng Fong Tea got its name from a story about a tea grower whose tea was damaged by pests. Unwilling to accept his loss, the farmer tried to sell his crop. Surprisingly, the tea was popular due to its special flavor. When the farmer went back to his village, he told his friends of his success, but they refused to believe him, thinking he was bluffing. The tea was then called Peng Feng, which is a Taiwanese slang term for bluffing.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello， 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling。
Joseph，我們上次有吃過一些東西嘛哈，我們這次呢帶你去喝飲料。
哦，吃完了之後要解油膩，
是
不是？那要介紹茶咯。
對啊，當然是茶。
是茶嗎？哦，什麼茶？
當然是茶，碰風茶。
碰風茶，碰風啊。
對啊，
碰風
吹牛，
吹牛啊。No, I haven't had this. Okay, Leo is trying to introduce to me a different tea by the Hakka culture. We always hear about this one tea called the lei tea, but this is something different. It's called the 碰風茶，是這樣的，怎麼講？
碰風茶，
碰風茶 ，OK, which means bluffing. 這茶為什麼要吹牛呢？
其實這個有一段故事，那我講快一點好了。OK， 就是頭擺有一個人啊，他種茶嘛，然後那茶本給蟲塞的嘞。然後他又不想這樣損失掉，所以他又把那個茶葉拿去市場上賣，結果就很受歡迎啦。後來回來之後就跟他朋友講，他朋友就不相信，說他是碰風，所以就叫做碰風茶，又叫做東方明飲茶。
哦，是這樣子。Okay, this is a very interesting story behind it. The reason why it's called the bluffing tea, which is really strange, right, is because this farmer, he was growing his tea leaves, but unfortunately his tea leaves were bitten by pests that year. And for some reason, he said, you know what, I'm just going to take it to the market and sell it anyways. But for some reason, the villagers loved the flavor of the tea, and it turned out to be a hit. And a lot of his friends say, no way, there's no way that he actually sold that tea. So they called him a bluff. 没想到是可以卖很好的价钱，所以它的味道其实是不错，就对了。
对，碰风茶它一定要被那个小虫咬过，就是那个茶芯做出来的茶叶才是最好最上等。
哦， so 它一定要被这个虫咬过就对了。
对。现在在这个我们的台湾不是很多讲什么有机农业啦，又莫大腰个呀，不要喷农药嘛，对不对？其实这碰风茶就是非常非常标准的，因为你只要喷那个农药，那个小虫就会死掉。
Okay, so this is a truly organic tea we're talking about right here. It's really great. Again, this was Talk About Hakka. Thank you for listening.
什么泰嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.